Okay, thank you for that wonderful introduction. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone around the globe. I'm Lisha Sarabosing, and I'm a licensed engineer. I'll be the one to discuss with you the business system that gives us a guaranteed income of 200,000 a month. So welcome to our Tagalog business review. Let me welcome first our first timers, our guests who are here right now, wherever you are, welcome po sa Uno Premier. Before I start, um, just want to ask you something. Just give me 30 minutes of your time. Have an open mind, have an open heart. Once naintindihan niyo po siya, wala po kayo maging rason hindi niyo siya gawin. So, sobrang malaking tulong po to sa anybody who kung ano ba yung ginagawa mo right now, are you working or having a business, ito po malaking ang dagdag po sa income natin ngayon. Okay, so let me start by sharing my screen. Let me share my screen first. So, okay. Again, wait lang ha. Okay. Okay, before po ako mag-share kung ano yung So, again po, we will be sharing to you a business system that guarantees us monthly income of 200,000 a month. But before I'm gonna discuss that to you, let me share, of course, with you what our what our company is all about, our products. So this is it. Welcome to Uno Premier. So before po mag-start, ito po yung idea ng business namin. So if you have an income, syempre, if may income po tayo, tapos minus yung mga expenses, syempre, yung natitira yung savings na lang po. Tama po, diba? So, ang kadalasan nangyayari, for example po dito is 700 pesos per day, that is times 30 days, that is 20,000 a month. Yung 700 pesos po dyan, yun po yung mga basic human needs natin, yung mga sabon. Everyday po, gumagamit tayo ng mga sabon, shampoo, lotion, toothpaste, even food, even gasoline. So, ibig sabihin, magpo-consume po tayo. So, whether we like it or not, gumagastos po tayo. So, for example, lang po, 700 pesos per day times 30 days, yung nalalaan natin sa mga expenses pa lang is 20,000 a month. So, ito po yung kadalasan nangyayari. If this is you, option A, saan po tayo bibili? Siyempre, sa mga groceries, sa mga stores. So, ang tendency, tayo, human beings, nagko-consume tayo whether we like it or not. Pero doon po tayo bumibili sa option A, which is the store. So, yes, siyempre, ang kumikita, yung tindahan. Pero what we are presenting to you right now is a system that the same pa rin, yung usual ginagawa natin, which is we're consuming, ibahin naman natin. So instead of dito po tayo sa option A bumibili, doon po tayo sa option B, which is dito po tayo sa Uno Premier, yung mga products na ginagamit na natin, doon po tayo bibili sa Uno Premier. Tapos, ang magandang bagay po nito is tayo po yung nakikita. Okay? So you keep the profit, and then ang maganda po dyan, not just a physical store, but we have an online store. And what's nice about it is our products we have better quality products, of course, better prices than those in the commercial, and of course, better products, which is our products are very natural. So what nice is we're gonna share this system or this idea to like 4 people, help 4 friends to do design, and with that we can have a guaranteed income of 200,000 a month. Aside from that, we have also have an opportunity to have rebates up to 45%. So that's the minimum 200,000 a month, the maximum of 2 million pesos a month. We're gonna earn that, and a rebates of up to 45%. So, and of course, much more. So let me start. Our president, these are the BODs or the owners of our company, William Barber, the president, Herbert Chua, the vice president, and Herbert Chua, the chief operating officer. These are what we call the 3 aces of network marketing company, network marketing here in the Philippines. course, when you say awards, kompleto po tayo dyan. We have the FDA, Food and Drugs. We have the IDSE, International Direct Selling Education Institute. And what we are very proud of is we are the only ISO certified network marketing company in whole Philippines. So ISO means ibig sabihin International Organization for Standardization. Sobrang mahirap po din yan, pero tayo lang po yung nakakuha. The first and only network marketing company ISO certified here in the Philippines. Of course, we have Global Excellence Award. We are the #1 company in the whole Philippines. In 2013, we were awarded as the #1 network marketing company in whole Asia. And that next, in 2000, we started 2007. We have humble beginnings here in the Philippines, and we have 100+ branches all over the Philippines right now. And in 2013, Uno expanded internationally to different countries worldwide, so like Hong Kong, Singapore, Macau, Pakistan, UAE. Yung UAE po natin, 4 kaagad in just 1 year time. Yung in-open natin, Sharjah, Al Ain, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. We have Nigeria. Nigeria po, 3 yung offices natin dyan. We have the Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Lagos. And of course, we have the UK, in London. And just last year, June 2015, we had a grand launching of our office there in the USA. We are the only company approved legally by their MLM law in the USA, so that's very to be proud of. We had our grand by the way, in the USA we had our grand launching in Beverly Hills, in Hollywood. So another country that we're expanding at is Canada. So this is our grand launching in the US. So we're featured in Asian Journal Network. Giant Uno Premier launches in the US. That was last year, June 2015. So here are the products. Our products, what's nice about our products are very consumable. All are consumable and very natural, and ginagamit na po natin talaga. So brief lang po yung i-explain ko per product ko. So we have food supplement orientation, or the product training orientation every Wednesday, 12 midnight. So we have prime juice, the mangosteen and goji berries. We have our coffee, 8-in-1, very natural coffee. We have our cappuccino with guavano and moringa. Vital Life 365, that is for our enzymes, natural enzymes. Trip to organic foods, those people who are diabetic, and even this is the complete food supplement in the world, awarded as the world's best supplement. Isa po sa sobrang ganda sa Trip to Organic, let me share, is yung anak ko, ito po yung kinakain niya every day. So sa mga bata, pwede po sobrang ganda to sa mga small stars, sa mga bata, sa brain nila, sa height nila. And of course, what's best is for those diabetic people. And of course, we have advanced care toothpaste with deep propolis and aloe vera. Glutathione soap, whitening soap. Kojic soap is our antibacterial soap. And we have the chocolate, the chocolate drink. Ultima C, our non-acidic vitamin C sodium ascorbate. Kahit wala naman ang tiyan, pwede siya i-take. Anti-allergy, sobrang ganda po, anti-inflammatory. And sobrang tataas talaga yung immune system. Also, we have wheatgrass and barley for those who have uric acid. Glutathione capsule, very good for the liver. And once mega dose po to siya, or higher in dosage natin, yun po yung good side effect na isang po tayo. So grape seed is very good for the heart or any cardiovascular diseases. Virgin coconut oil, antibacterial, very natural antibacterial. For those persons na nagko-constipate, malaking tulong po yung DCO. Next, glutathione lotion, yung light formula. This is semi-water-based, magic cream, whitening cream, even for the armpit. Natural white deodorant, this is for the natural deodorant. BB cream from Korea, body scrub or body works. Body works po yung exfoliating body scrub. Okay, yung Tanaka po. Kung may alam kayo yung mga sobrang malaking problema sa mga pimples nila, sobrang gala to. This is very organic. Kahoy po siya. So, matatanggal talaga any problems or acne problems, pimple problems in face, or even skin diseases. Okay. Next, Okay, these are the premier products, our world-class products. Sunsi 8 berries is 8 berries for very natural, powerful antioxidant. The John Cosmetics is a 24-karat gold makeup. Yung Nubel po natin is a pure vegetable soap with shea butter and collagen. And Procardia, this is the with red yeast extract and nuts place. So, especially for those who have very, very serious problems about the heart or any cardiovascular. And of course, very popular NutriFab. Sobrang, ano po talaga to? Skyrocket yung sales, yung very, very effective in losing weight. And those who are constipated also, it can help them to move their bowels. And those who want to have their tummies flattened, bellies na flat, saka yung maglulose ng weight na super effective kasi ito NutriFab na po, it's just a pickled plum, hindi po to siya tablet, hindi po siya coffee, or hindi po siya capsule. Fruit po talaga siya, nakakain mo lang and you have a natural way of losing weight. This is with the famous fruit called Garcinia cambogia, okay? And of course with probiotics. So I'm done with the products. So this is, let me go on with our business packages. So for you to join, for you to be a part of our business, you just have to choose in any of these packages. So we have the platinum package worth 12,500, the premier package of worth 33,600. By the way, the 12,500, you have a potential income of 750,000 a month. The premier package, which is 33,600, gives you a potential income of 1.1 million a month. Elite package gives you elite package is 67,200, gives you a 1.5 million potential income per month. And the highest package is called the global cap package, 134,400, gives us a potential income, maximum potential income of 1.9 million per month. So any of these product packages that you'd like to choose, you only have to choose one. So these are the ROI on their left side. This is the return of investment. Of course, the products. The number one return of investment is the products worth po sa binigay yung pera. Then number two is one-time lifetime international. This is one-time lifetime international registration. Once lang po tayo, and only one account. Single policy. So later I'm gonna explain to you further about that. We have a professional online back office, real-time online distributor tracking center. You can do this business online. Commission is via Union Bank. Then you have the business tools and materials. Kompleto na po yan. Brochures, forms, presentations, marketing materials. Of course, you have the videos, you have the trainings, the mobile application, both Android and iOS. And a lifetime discount up to 30%. And of course, team support. Ito pa lang, kahit hindi pa kayo member, you are already feeling our support. This is Zoom conference, what we call Zoom conference or video conference. With not just, hindi lang po to business radio. We also have trainings here, Monday to Saturday. So, sobrang i-guide po kayo, isa-supportahan po kayo along the way when you do this business. Okay? So, by the way, what is this 90 days to upgrade? If you get the lower, let's say for example, you get the premier package, then if you want to upgrade to a higher package, you can do that within 90 days upon signing up. So for example, if you get the premier package right now, so you have only within 3 months or 90 days to upgrade it. By the way, the upgrading is yung ibibigay po talaga yung, for example, from premier you go to elite. Ibig sabihin po nun, yung pag-upgrade nyo sa elite, ipipay nyo pa talaga yung full na 67,200 kasi that's another batch of products. Okay? Hindi po yung idadagdagan lang ng 33 para maging 67. Hindi po. Yung another full ano talaga, 67,200. If you upgrade to elite, for example. Okay? So you have another set of this one ROI. Anyway, so we'll go to the system. Nung umpisa pa lang, sinabi ko na etong business system na to gives us a guaranteed income of 200,000 a month. So eto na po yun. So dito po tayo mag-focus. So we have a system here that guarantees us a monthly income of 200,000 a month. So paano po siya gawin? Through an asset. Anong asset? Tayo po kasi mga tao, may asset po tayo na maraming tao hindi nakakalam. Parang Dubai po. Yung Dubai, hindi naman gano'n siya kaganda noon, hindi naman gano'n siya yaman na bansa noon. Pero in 1929, may na-discover po sila na something may na-discover po sila na asset. Yun yung reason bakit sila yumaman at sobrang maganda po yung Dubai ngayon. Ano po yun? Ang asset na yun is called oil. Siyempre, andun halos lahat ng oil doon, di ba? So, yung oil, yung na-discover, ang tanong ko po, yung oil ba, andun na yun dati pa or nung na-discover lang? Siyempre, andun na yun, pero late lang siya na-discover. So, the same dito po dito sa sabi ko asset. Yung tayo po tao kasi may asset tayo. Na once na malaman natin ngayon kung anong asset na to, pwede siya pwede siya, you can be a pinabang and it will give a big benefit, a big potential income. So, anong asset na to? So, tanong ko po, may 10 po ba kayo nakakilala? Siyempre, meron. Siyempre naman, actually more than that. Yung 10 kakilala niyo po ba, may 10 kakilala? Siyempre naman, 100. Yung 100 may 10 kakilala. 1,000. Yung 1,000 may 10 kakilala. 10,000. Yung 10,000 may 10 kakilala. 100,000. Siyempre ba, yung 100,000 may 10 kakilala. 1 million, plus 1 million. Hindi ko po sinasabi na may kakilala po tayong 1 milyon. Siyempre, wala naman yon. Pero, sinasabi ko lang, ganito, from your 10, galing lang dun po sa 10 na kakilala nyo, may potential po tayo na 1 million network of connection. Tawag dito po, multiplication. Tawag dyan, multiplication. Tawag dyan, network of connection. So, ano po itong small thing? Yung small thing is, ito po kasi yung system natin is just a small thing. Parang Singapore po. Di ba yung Singapore sobrang linis na country? Bakit kaya? Kasi yung mga tao, alam ng mga tao doon na once na may makita silang basura, kukunin nila at saka itatamo sa basurahan. Diba? This is very small thing. Pero lahat alam nila. So, malaking impact. Sobrang linis yung buong Singapore. The same here. So, very small thing lang po yung system natin. Actually, very simple. Very, very simple and very doable. Kahit mga teenagers or mga elementary, kahit siyang gawin. Very simple. That's why it gives us a guaranteed income of 200,000 a month. This system is called 4x4 by 100 system. So, yes. So, ano po itong 4x4 by 100? There are only four simple steps. Be our business partner here in Uno Premier. For example, you get the Premier package. First step is be our business partner. And for example, you get the package of 33,660. Number 2 is start to study. Siyempre, business po to. So the more mo siya ilo-learn, mas madali po siyang gawin. Actually, madali talaga siyang gawin kasi lahat naman provided. Actually, we have handouts and trainings that you're gonna learn here to be successful here in this business. So third step is just sponsor your 4 ACES or find your 4 ACES. Di ba yung sinabi ko pinina asset, di ba 10 tao? Siyempre, may kakilala ka 10 tao. Pero dito po sa system natin, hindi po 10 tao yung hanapin natin. 4 lang po. 4 lang pong business partners yung hanapin natin na willing po i-follow yung system na to. Willing i-do yung business and follow yung system. Which is ito yung 4x4 by 100. Sponsor or find your 4 ACES, and last step is consume 100 points per month. 100 points, global points is equivalent to 2,500 pesos per month. And instead of doon po kayo mag-grocery sa store, yung kanina, yung sa option ay dito na po kayo sa option which is the Premier. Dito na kayo bibili ng mga sabon, toothpaste, yung mga basic na commodities natin. 2.5 is just very small. But what's nice about here is you're gonna earn rebates, very big rebates. Later, I'm gonna show you the figures here in the number 4 step, which is our consumers club. We call it our consumers club. So ito lang po yung 4 simple steps that we're gonna do here in our system. So now let me show you the figures. So if this is you, okay, so di ba kung naghahanap na po tayo ng 4, yung four business partners. So, for example, in your first month, nakuha nyo na yung 4 na business partners nyo. Kasi mabilis na naman kasi 4 lang naman, di ba? So when you get your 4, you already have an income of 12,500. Okay? Huwag nyo iisipin kung paano siya yung nagawa. Kasi parang ganito, parang ATM po kasi siya. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung back-end or ano yung program na nag-run sa ATM. But as long as you know how to operate the machine, so it can be of service to you, it can benefit you, just like this one. Just follow the system, just follow these 4 steps, and once you follow this very simple system, these 4 steps, automatic na po yung income natin dyan. Ito po yung figure na sinushow ko sa inyo. So if you get the 4 people, you're gonna earn 12,500. Yung 4 po na tao, ito lang po i-focus nyo, yung effort 4 na to. So, yung 4 na business partners nyo, ang gagawin niya lang is syempre to follow the system, which is to get also their 4. Yung 4, magkukuha ng 4, which is 16. Ang income niyo po dyan is 28,000 pesos already. Yung 16 po, on the 3rd month, syempre magkukuha din sila ng 4 na business partners nila. So, syempre, naging 64 na po yan. So, ang income niyo po dyan is 115,200. What's nice about here is, yung 4 mo, yung first 4 mo, andito ka na sa 115,200, di ba? Pero yung 4 mo, dito na sila sa 28,000 pesos. Tapos yung 16 na kinuha nila, yung tiga-4 nila, nandun na din sa 12,500. Ibig sabihin, wala po tayong paunahan dito or hindi to yung maganda lang sa naunahan, hindi po. Kasi ito po, nakasistema talaga siya. Parang sa McDo. Kahit wala na po si Ray Kroc, yung founder ng McDo. Because he has a system, kahit wala na po siya, tuloy pa rin ang income ng McDo. Same here with us. What's nice about this is everybody is earning, so everybody is happy. Okay? So, tuloy po tayo on the 4th month. Yung 64, magkukuha ng 4, which is 256. Yung 256, ang income niyo po dyan already is 460,800. Ang tanong ko po, di ba nag-start lang po tayo sa 4? Yung 16, baka hindi niya nakakilala to. Yung tiga-4 na nakuha nila, which is 64, halos hindi mo nakakilala to. Even yung 64, kukuha ng 4, 256, halos hindi mo nakakilala yan. Pero, because of that 4, naging 256, ang income niyo po dyan is 460,800 already on the 4th month. Okay? So, your 5th month is yung 256, kuha ng 4, 1,024. Yung income niyo po dyan is already 1.1 million a month. Okay, on the 6th month, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. 4,096, 1.1 million a month pa rin. Kasi syempre, yung kinuha mo na package is 33,000, which is ang maximum po lang po niya is 1.1 million a month. Okay ba tayo dyan? So if you want to get a higher potential income, just get the highest those higher packages. Okay? Like the global package, which is the highest package, you get potential income of 1.9 million a month. It's offered. Okay? So, yung 16 natin, yan. Pinakita lang na nasa 460,800 na po siya. Yung 64, kumikita na ng 150,200. Yung 256 na mga business partners natin, andun na po sila sa level na 28,000. And yung 1,024, nasa 12,500. So everybody is earning talaga. Okay? Because of the system. So, before I end, I'm just gonna share to you the 5 points to consider. Ang tanong po, what if you suddenly stopped? What if you stop? Okay? Pero syempre, tanong, what if andito ka lang sa, for example, 556 or so 1,024, what if you stop? Ang question po kasi dito, kahit mag-stop ka, yung system mo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin, kikita pa rin, kahit mag-stop ka na, kasi nakasistema siya eh. Pero if you're gonna think about it, I'm gonna put myself here, syempre, I'm gonna stop. So, syempre, mas maganda pa rin na tuloy-tuloy yung income, tapos hindi ka pa nag-stop, kasi marami pa tayong pwede tulungan. Okay? Especially if you know na tuloy-tuloy yung income nyo, wala po pala makakaisip na mag-stop. Okay? Number 2, what if you only hit 50% of the maximum income? For example, hindi 4 po yung nakuha. For example lang, medyo may sablay, tigda-2 lang yung nakuha, or yung yung iba medyo bagal pa, let's say 50% of 1.1 million, that is still 550,000 pesos. Pinaka-worst na lang po, yung 20% na lang po after 1 year. 20% na lang, hindi na lang 50%, may lower pa natin 20%. That is 20% failure rate. Kasi yung 100% success rate is 1.1 million naman, di ba? So let's say 20% failure rate. That is 20% of 1.1 million, that is still 200,000 pesos a month. Malaki pa rin po siya na income per month. So malaking bagay pa rin po siya. Tama po, di ba? Okay, with a 4x4 system, with a 4x4 by 100 system, your income of 200,000 a month is already a failure rate. How much more if mas mataas pa na percentage doon? Tama po, di ba? Beach failure tawag namin dyan. Then, can I do it part-time? Of course. You can do this 2 to 3 hours per day at the comfort of your home. If you have an office there in your country, much better. Can I get another 4 ACES? Ito po, can I get another batch of 4 ACES or 4 business partners that I'm gonna share this business with? Walang problema. Walang problema talaga if you have another 4 sets. Second set of 4 people. But before you get another 4 ACES, i-make sure po natin na yung first set natin na 4, yung first 4 mo talaga is kumikita na talaga ng, at least nag-minimum na po sila ng 100,000 month, or kumikita sila malaki. Kasi iba po kasi tayo sa ibang companies eh. Hindi po tayo traditional. Yung traditional kasi, recruit ng maraming tao, napapabayaan na. Ito po kasi, 4 na po yung pinofocus natin, 4 na yung tao na tutulungan natin. So, ibig sabihin, iiwasan natin na hindi natin sila asikaso. So, yung 4 na to, talagang maasikaso talaga. I-guide sa support towards their financial success. If these 4 already have the earning big, then you can get another 4 ACES. Okay? So, upgrade your account to a higher maximum income per month. Of course, you can do that within 90 days. Sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so elite package, which is 67,000, you get an income of maximum income of 1.5 million a month. And the global package, 134,000, you get a potential income of 1.9 million a month. Okay, yung royalty bonus. Focus ko lang yung di ba 4 na packages po yun, 12, 5, 33, which is the premier, elite, 67,000, and the global, 34,000. In-encourage po namin kayo na wala naman problema 12.5 kasi it's a good way to start. But the best way to start is these 3 packages. Any of these 3 packages. Because yung lowest package po sa natin, walang royalty bonus. Ano po yung royalty bonus? The royalty bonus starts with the premier package. Premier, elite, and global. Royalty bonus, for example, if you're a premier, lahat po ng earnings or lahat ng kikitain ng mga direct yung 4 mo, lahat ng kikitain nila, you will get a percentage of that. Okay? For example, kung kumita yung first business partner mo ng 1 million, if you're a premier, you get 5% of that. Okay? You're like 5% of 1 million, 50,000. If you're elite naman po kayo, 7% of that, 70,000. And if global po yung kinuha, you have 10% of every income nila, which is, for example, 1 million, that you have 100,000 pesos a month. 100 pesos sa kinikita nila. So if number 2 is 1 million, number 3 is 1.1 million, number 4 is 1.1 million. Basta po, lahat ng kinikita ng 4 na business partners nyo, you'll get a percentage of that. Again, basta premier, 5% of what they're earning, elite, 7% of what they're earning, and global, 10% of what they're earning. Earn up to 10% share on all of your direct sponsors' income, computed po in a weekly basis. Okay? Inheritance, passing down a legacy of faith to our children. So what's nice about here in our business is you can pass this down to your kids or kung sino yung gusto niyo ipapas. Kahit mawala po tayo dito sa earth, ang maganda dyan, yung account natin andun pa rin. So, kung ano yung mga income dyan, weekly, monthly, daily income, kung sino yung sino yung bibigyan niyo dyan, kahit alam niya yung negosyo na to or hindi, as long as sa kanya yung account, sa kanya lahat yung kita. Okay, parang i-compare po natin sa employee. If you are, even if you have very successful in your career right now, for example, you are a supervisor or an executive, pero hindi mo naman pwede na, for example, magre-resign ka na, magre-retire ka na, hindi mo naman pwede na yung anak mo lalagay mo sa posisyon mo. Hindi pwede yan, di ba? Kasi, syempre, wala alam yung anak niya about dito. Syempre, dadaan din po siya sa, tawag dito, tawag dito, corporate na ladder para makuha din niya yung position niyo. Tama po, di ba? What's nice about here in Uno is, syempre, you can pass on your account to your children. Okay, let me just, the best thing that's very nice about here in Uno Premier is, this is a one single account policy. Hindi po tayo parehas na traditional na marami accounts. For example, di ba, I'm sure most of you, marami nang na-invite na kayo sa ibang network marketing companies. Sabihin niya, mag-3 heads kayo, 7 heads, 15 heads, the more accounts, the more income. Tama naman po yun. Kaso may disadvantage. Ito po yung disadvantage. Multiple account system, for example, you'll get 7 header or 7 accounts. Okay man siya, kaso ito po yung disadvantage. For example, maglalagay po tayo ng 10 tao dyan on your 7 accounts. Siyempre, lagyan natin ng 10. Anong gagawin? Anong dapat gagawin? Ito yung gagawin niyo para ma-maximize yung 7 accounts niyo para kita sila lahat. Yung 10, ilalagay mo sila separately per line. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung friend, ito yung friend mo, yung isang friend mo pa, ibig sabihin, or yung family mo pa, ibig sabihin, hiwalay mo sila para ma-maximize mo yung 7 accounts mo. Tama po, di ba? Kaso, medyo yung disadvantage kasi po doon, na dapat na yung, for example, yung common friend, ang mangyayari doon, mag-agawan sila. Okay, magko-compete sila. Hindi sila magtutulungan. Kasi bakit ibang linya sila eh? Gets na naintindihan po, di ba? So what's nice about here in our this here in Uno Premier, this is one single account policy. So ibig sabihin, dalawang lines or dalawang teams lang po talaga yung i-focus natin, hindi yung maraming teams, maraming lines, unlike sa multiple account system. Here in Uno Premier, ito lang po yung isang account lang po yung tututukan natin. So ibig sabihin, dalawang teams lang po. This is the Team A and, of course, Team B. So, lagyan din natin fairly ng 10 tao. So, ang mangyayari, ito po yung mangyayari. So, magtutulungan sila. Kasi yung, for example, yung mga friends mo, lalagyan mo sa Team A or sa left team. Ibig sabihin, lahat sila magtutulungan. Hindi sila mag-aagawan. Kasi kung anong meron yung sa left, makaka-benefit yung lahat. Okay po ba? Yung Team B, pwede ilagay nyo dito yung mga families mo, yung relatives mo. So, ibig sabihin, magtutulungan talaga sila. Okay, kung ano yung income nila, income po din ng line na yon or team na yon. Okay, this is a comparative illustration between traditional binary system and Uno Premier, which is a one account policy. Okay, so tapos na po ako. So, here in Uno Premier, thank you for your time, and welcome po to Uno Premier. Let's get started today. Thank you. So, if you have questions, you can ask those persons who invited you. Thank you po, and God bless.